Hey guys, it's Cameras at the Ready. This is going to be my dog training. First of all, you need some treats. Choose their favourite treats. Right, I've got my treats. Second of all, you need your dog. This is my dog. Well, one of them anyway, because we've got two. Now, to do this trick, it's quite simple. You need the treats before he eats them. Oops. Yeah. Fudge, come over here. Fudge is here. I've got my legs over. I'm going to get Fergus's treat. And I need him. Let's move up, Fudge. Yeah, want to move up? Yeah, yeah, I do. Okay. Yes! And, come on. Yes! And, good boy. Now, hey, don't nick all of the treat. Oh, wee little fella. Good boy, eat it up. Good boy. The next trick, is going for my legs. My legs out. And Fergus has seen the treats. Now you should go for it. Fudge. Fudge, come on, come on, come on. Come on, Fudge. Yeah, good boy. And cup, good boy. You probably can't see it at the moment. Just going to sit over here and give Fudge his treat. Hey, yeah, good boy. The next trick is, he's really excited about this, is, hey, no, wee little fella, is, there's a bench press here, and you can sort of see this bar. Fudge. Yeah, you can move it. You can see that. Over. You can see all of this. Now Fergus is going to attempt to jump up with this. Look at him. His head cannot even reach that. So Fudge, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, you good boy. Now do you want your treat? Do you want your treat? Yeah? Good boy. Good boy. Did you drop it or did you eat it? You ate it. Now I need you to come up here, Fudge. This is the hard part. Fudge. Fudge. Come on. Come here. Fudge. Come on. Come on. Turn yourself around, boy. Good boy. Come here. Lean. You're going to lean against this. Come on. Come on. Come on. You good boy. Oh yes you are. Let me take you, Dad. Who's a good boy? Get our next dog in. Come on. Come on. That's a good boy. Now this is Harley.
Hello.
That was just a friend of mine.
Yeah.
And this is my big dog. Now Harley. Harley, come on. Come on. Come on. You gotta jump up for this. You gotta jump. Jump. His tail. Right in the camera. Okay, maybe he's not the most. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Harley. Don't be lazy now. Okay. Put it there, Harley. Your big paws. Oh, put them over there, okay? Come on. Come on. No, come on. Come on. So you've been lazy. Lazy. We'll show you the other tricks. So we're going to do that trick. You're going to do that trick anyway. Harley. Oh, so wee, babe. Come on. Harley paw. Harley paw. Harley paw. Harley. Come here. Now we need to go in front of the camera. Fergie, Harley. Harley. Come here, good boy. Harley. Harley paw. Harley paw. Oh yes. Harley have a paw. Oh yes, you. Oh yes. Harley. Down. Down. Oh yes, look. Good boy. Down. Come on. Come on. Good boy. No. Okay, you can get that if you have to put there. Come on. Now Fergus is here. So they're both here. So both the dogs. Harley? Caught it. Fergus is over there. Harley? Harley? And Fergus is here. So they're both here. Okay, that's my video for the dogs. The dogs, hounds, follow. I'm back, guys. Move this bit, and so is Fudge. So I just wanted to say, have you seen the latest Good Game? It's a real game, and it's for free. Just moving myself and the camera. It's free. Guess what it's called? Temple Run. You should get it. That's what I say. That's all I've got to say really, and so bye. Little. I'm joking. Bye, geeks.